you do see solutions around in the market that are getting acquired, right? It's one of those things where hopefully, and I want everyone to be successful, but hopefully those transitions are easy, right? And for those people that are customers of those platforms, I'm hoping that everything is a very easy transition. But I think it's also a valid thing to call out that M&A is messy and will also require usually a lot of change, both in headcount, in terms of technology stack, in terms of operations. So a lot of these things that you might be used to might change as well too. Hopefully that's also maybe a little freeing, right? If it's changing in a direction that you aren't as jazzed about, and I think it's kind of more of a gut feeling more than it is something that you can write down on a piece of paper and check boxes to decide. If your gut feeling is that it's going in a direction that you're not as excited about, maybe it's a time for a change, right? Just at least think about what else is out there. There are a lot of solutions doing similar things. So this might be a great time to just see what else is out there.